guys. Ooh, bright. Bright? Are we bright? We are. Okay, a lot better. Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a day in the life vlog. Oh guys, look at my pooper. Look at my man. Look at my baby boy. Look at my baby boy. So, fun fact, this is not where he normally sleeps. If you guys watched my cleaning video, well, I don't know if I even said it in there, but I was cleaning this particular spot right here, and that is where he likes to sit. But for some reason, he's on the chair. He's on my brand new chair. Papa, he's on my brand new chair, and he has all his, fur and everything on the chair. But, that's okay, because if you're a cat owner, then, that's just part of it. You just accept it, and you just know that there's going to be a lot of cleaning that you have to do. So yeah, but I have a trick for that. Anyway, today's going to be a day in the life vlog. I just finished writing in my planner. I'm actually having a little bit of a late start to today. I don't have to go out of the house today. I'll be doing that later on in the week. But I just finished my planner. Sorry, the lighting it's a little dark in here because the sun is just going in and out. But I just finished my planner. And so you guys might not see everything that's on this list, but you're going to see the majority of things that are on this list. So today is going to be kind of like a getting myself together type of vlog almost, or just kind of like, because I have a little bit of organizing to do, a little bit of cleaning up to do. I didn't get to do that yesterday because I was just out of it yesterday. I only did what I really needed to do yesterday, which was my nails. Speaking of my nails, guys, look at my nails. I'm still doing my nails at home. Sorry if you guys hear that loud noise. They're cutting the grass. Okay, they're cutting the grass back here. Hold on, I can't see with this. Okay, you can't even see them now, but behind this fence is grass that the county has to cut, and so they're back there cutting the grass. Of course, as soon as I turn on the camera, they start. Anyway, let me go over here because it's a little bit more quiet. So these are my nails, guys. I'm still doing my nails. I started doing my nails when in 2020 when everything shut down, and I just started using acrylic. They look a little bright. I just started using acrylic. I was doing dip powder for a long time, and I still love my dip powder, and I haven't stopped using it. It's just I'm experimenting with the acrylic. So this is what they look like. And the color that I painted them is put it in neutral gel, and then underneath is just a natural colored. It's actually a natural color dip powder, which if you're new to dip powder and acrylic powder, they're the same thing. So the difference between the dip powder and the acrylic, or what makes acrylic, is the monomer that you use. Okay, so if you take something that's labeled a dip powder and you use a monomer with it, it turns into the liquidy form that acrylic is. So basically, they're double dipping. They're advertising acrylic powder to you when really dip powder is the same as acrylic powder. It's all the same thing. It's basically what I'm saying. It's all the same thing. So, but if you want to get started in doing your own nails, I would suggest using the dip powder because it is easier. Basically, you're just sticking your finger in there. There is an art, there is a learning curve though to that. You're just not sticking your finger in there. You have to stick your finger in at the right angle and all of that. So there is a little bit of a technique when it comes to using the dip powder, but it is a lot easier. Like I said, I would say if you're like an artist, like if you can draw, then you might be able to do the acrylic. Again, you're doing this on yourself, so you just have to think about what's easier for yourself. If you're right-handed, people say, oh, how you do your right hand with your left hand? Practice. Lots and lots of practice. And, my right hand is always the tougher out of the two. I have to do a little bit more. I have to, use different tools or do a different technique with it, but it works. That's my tip on doing your nails at home. And these are my real nails. These are not tips. But I think I rambled enough. So let's get started with this day in the life. Today, this is my work from home outfit. Okay, this is a cardigan. This is from H&M. I think I showed this in a video. So yeah, this is in a long cardigan from H&M. I'm wearing a white camisole from Shein, and I'm actually going to be doing a Shein haul video soon. I'm wearing my comfortable black sweatpants. These are from Nike, and then I'm wearing my slippers from Target. They were $10, so under 50 bucks. That's what I'm wearing today. I would like to let you know I'm really the kind of girl that you get me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tearing you. And you're the kind I should make a move on. I can feel like something could be going on. So true, there I know. Me, only you. Okay, so I just finished putting together this clothing rack. So I got this from Target, and it was $10 now. I mean, it is a little flimsy. It's a little flimsy, a little bit, but it was $10. And for me, that's great because I'm not going to be doing a lot of clothing videos, but I do like to do them occasionally, and I've been finding like I really have fun doing them. So for my upcoming Shein haul, and then I have another video planned later on, I'll be using the clothing rack. I finally have a clothing rack, so I have the aesthetic, right? It's all about the aesthetic. I just didn't want to go, like, they're really expensive. I've seen some that are like $30. I mean, I would definitely say if fashion is like your main thing, then yeah, you definitely want to invest in a good one. But for something like this works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package to kind of prep the video. Okay guys, so here's the aftermath of, it was actually worse than this. I cleaned up a little bit. Try to believe it or not. I'm hot now, so I took off my pants. I have on bikers now. So this is what I have so far for the video. I decided that it's a little bit too late in the day for me to film, so I probably will not film this today, but I need to figure out what I'm doing because Wednesday I'm supposed to post. So I'm just so hot right now that I just can't, and plus I don't exactly know all the outfits that I want to put together yet, but this is just kind of like a preview of some of the things that you guys will see when I do that video. I'm not sure if I want to do a try on haul. I'm not sure if I want to do just, you know, showing you guys what I got, but most likely it'll be a try on haul. I just have to do a little bit more concepting to see what I want to do. I'm just hot right now, so I'm like uninspired. I'm hot. Really quickly, I probably won't show these in the video, but I did pick up these shoes. These shoes have been on the rave this past summer, and so I had to of course get some, and I actually like them. I didn't think that I would, but I actually do. I could see you could wear these with work if you do it right. So I was like a pencil skirt and a nice maybe camisole with a jacket. You could absolutely wear a strappy heel for that, and this is also like just a really good shoe. It goes with a lot. Nice pair of straight fit jeans. You could also do skinny jeans if you wanted. You could wear this. I haven't seen this with like joggers, but I guess you could do that too. So yeah, I actually do like these. And then these, I'm in love with these. I've been talking about these on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, go follow me over there. I absolutely love these boots. I mean, I struggle with these. These are by Steve Madden, and I'm just in love. I am in love. Very surprised by this leather skirt. Very, very nice. I thought it was gonna be itchy and like uncomfortable and tight. It's not. It has a very nice stretchy situation going on and very fitting. This is a so you guys will see that. And then this dress here. Absolutely love the dress. Look at the color. Look at that. Is that not fall vibes for you? Love that. So I will be getting another one of these. Love this dress. Love it. Love it. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so we're back. We're back in action. I don't know if I can recommend this rack yet. We'll see how it goes. But what just happened should not have happened. So anyway. I forgot what I was saying, but let's see what else. I want to go ahead and start in my closet. So I already kind of, I already decluttered my closet a couple of months ago. Well, not, I would say a couple months ago. Yeah, a couple months ago. And so like this whole side here was just empty. I got rid of all the clothes that I could not fit anymore, all the clothes that I don't wear anymore. And because I was starting in this new career, I really needed some, and I didn't have career wear because I used to wear uniforms in my previous job. They gave us a uniform budget. So all I had was that. I didn't have actual clothing because there was no need for me to buy it, But now there is. So I've just been rebuilding my closet over the last several weeks. And so what you see here is what I have, but I want to organize it better as far as like the style of the top or the pant or the skirt, and then still keep it color coded like it is. As you can see, I already have a lot of black back there. So I want to keep that towards the back because I feel like when I have a lot of black, like in the center of my closet doesn't have a lot of light, but so I feel like when I have a lot of black items, it makes the closet dark. So yeah, that's basically what I was trying to say. So I want to start by kind of reorganizing those items and then putting them back in the closet. So I want to do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to show that on camera or I'm just going to show you guys the result. Yeah, I think I just want to show you guys the result because trying to show this on camera because it's a tight space in here. It's going to just be difficult. I also purchased new shoes, a few pairs of shoes that I have to organize as well. So I have those that I got from Saks Fifth Avenue. I got those up there, these patent leather ones. I have my Sam Edelman's, which are awesome shoes. They were on sale. So check DSW, Sam Edelson, the actual website. That's where I purchased those from. And then I have these from Miss Lola. Love them, can't fit them. So don't know what I'm going to do about that. And I guys already showed you the Steve Madden shoes. So, which are my current favorite. These suckers, look at these. These are bad. These are bad. guys, it's me from the future. The sound cut out at the end clip of this video, so I'm basically just kind of showing you what I did in the closet. But I did want to tell you guys that I appreciate you guys tuning in for this video and that I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we got some fun stuff coming up. So I will see you in the next vlog, in the next video. Okay guys, bye.